ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to this India Today East Conclave here in Kolkata with not just West Bengal's Chief Minister, but the third most powerful politician in the country. That's because we often forget that the Trinamool Congress is the third largest party today in the Lok Sabha. So give a big hand to Kolkata's very own Didi and Chief Minister of Bengal, Mamata Banerjee. And since we are in Kolkata, I thought we should start appropriately. Mamata Di, I have a gift for you. And here is my gift for you. This is the very own Bengali Rasagulla, which has now got a full GI certification. One minute.
This is for industry and this is for you, please.
For industry?
This is for industry and it is specially for you because you are my guest. So we always offer this to our guest.
Thank you very much.
It's very good, very tasty.
Thank you very much.
Take some water.
Very nice, perfect. So I must start by asking you, how are you going to bring back the sweetness of the Rasagulla, the fire of Netaji, and in a sense the brain of a Tagore to Bengal? You are brand Bengal. Rasagulla is part of brand Bengal. Mamata Banerjee today defines brand Bengal. How do you really intend to bring it back to Bengal? How have you tried to bring it back?
No, Bengal is already back because Bengal, of course, we are facing some legacy from our earlier period, especially 34 years, and we are facing the legacy. But now, within 5-6 years, we have already developed, and Bengal is ahead now. And Rasgulla is always sweet, so it is more than sweet even. Our sweet is more than any other sweet. So Bengal is always a very sweet state, and Bengal glory is already there. If you see from GDP rate to ease of business doing, or from industry to agriculture or education to health, you can find out that yes, within these 5-6 years we have done a lot. And it is not that I am saying, you can ask the people of Bengal, they will give you the full details. I think that will be better.
You know, you have some impressive data to back up what you said. World Bank figures show that West Bengal is now third in ease of doing business. You've doubled industrial growth. Agriculture figures are looking impressive. Some of your social sector schemes have won United Nations awards, like your Kanya Shri scheme for young girls. And yet the world talks about the Gujarat model and not the Bengal model. Which is the superior model? Is Narendra Modi and Amit Shah's Gujarat model really superior to Mamata Banerjee's Bengal model?
This is the problem with all of you. Don't do this type of politics with us. Because Gujarat is Gujarat, I respect Gujarat, it is also a state. What is the fault for the people? I don't blame the people. They are very nice, they are very good. So Kemcho and Bhalcho, everything is there. So I don't think that we should discriminate ourselves between one state to another state. But what you are giving, you are flourishing more and more the publicity and the propaganda that Gujarat is doing too much and other states are not doing anything. That is wrong, absolutely wrong. Every state, they have their own geographical condition, their historical condition, their economic situation, their infrastructural situation, everything. You started your discussion today, it is rising of East India, just Eastern India. Now you tell me, if you see East and West, though I don't want to discriminate it, if you see the geographical area, then Western states, it is about 6,75,000 extra kilometers, the area. And Eastern, it is East is 6,75,000 hectare kilometer. And your West is 6 lakh, maybe 13,000 or something. So population is high, even Eastern sector, it is about 32 crores, and Western it is about 20 crores. But the fact remains till now that the government of India, whoever is in power, they gave more importance to Western instead of giving any importance to Eastern. Don't you think it's a discrimination? Eastern, even it may be Bihar, it may be part of UP, it may be Odisha, it may be Bengal, it may be Jharkhand. Even Eastern, it includes the Northeastern state. Bengal is the gateway, and Bengal, the geographical situation, though it is a very unique situation, the connectivity, unique combination, the connection. Even Bengal is the gateway of Nepal, Bangladesh, Bhutan, even the Northeastern. But this Northeastern part and Eastern part is neglected from the beginning. Western part, Gujarat have 47 ports. What you need more? Bengal, I have only 2. And asking more to, they are not giving us. That is the problem. So problem remains that you don't give the proper justice to the people. And why you will cry for that? I don't agree that we have to beg for everything. Sometimes it is our right. It is our adhikar. What we say, "Eh, hamara hak hai." Lekin that hak also we are not giving. One state you are doing 47 port, another state you are not doing 3 ports. Why this discrimination? You tell me, Maharashtra is a financial capital, I appreciate that. Bengal is also a cultural capital of the world. You have to appreciate that also. We have a very best of relation with Bollywood, Tollywood, Hollywood, everywhere. Bengal started Renaissance. Bengal started freedom movement. Bengal started reforms even since Raja Ram Mohan Rai, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, Rabindranath Tagore, all. But you tell me, खाली आप कहते हैं कुछ और करते हैं और कुछ. आप बोलते हैं गुजराती किया है, बंगाल नहीं किया. Every investment sector we have seen, business meeting, said गुजरात इतना रुपया आ गया है इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए. बट क्या हुआ है रियलिटी में? 0 है. If you see the reality, it is 0. I am challenging you. You see last 3-4 years the investment. Now Bengal, even you tell industry don't go, don't invest your money to Bengal. Is it not a crime? If a government must be in our federal structure, they are just, central government is just like parents and state government is just like their children. But you tell me why a central government will tell the industry that don't go to Bengal, don't invest in Bengal.
Hold on. You are making a very serious
Yes,
charge.
it is
You
not
are
serious,
claiming
it's
that
a
the
fact.
government of India is deliberately telling industry not to go to Bengal.
Yes. Yes, you tell me why so many projects are pending. Pendence is the tendency, is a political tendency. Why?
But the Prime Minister is talking of cooperative federalism.
No cooperative federalism is in India. No cooperative federalism. It is totally a super emergency is going on. Super emergency. I must tell, I do not know. Somebody may agree with me, somebody may not. You ask me, if ask industrialists, are they free from incumbencies? What incumbencies? The political incumbencies. Every industrialist are now, they are under threat. They are now under scanner. What is going on in this country? There is no freedom. There is no voice of the industry, neither farmers nor the industry. More than 12,600 people died. Even the media house. May I tell you, all the media are being threatened, all the medias, except 1 or 2. All the medias are under scanner. They are being instructed what to do, what not to do. Even media cannot raise their voice. This is a sorry affair, and I have never seen this type of arrogance, this type of attitude. I have never seen. I am also in this politics about, even I was member of parliament about 23 years. I have seen Delhi from my nearest point. I have seen all the leaders. I have seen so many changes, but I have never seen this. That if I say something, even their minister phoned me and say, why you are saying against of Narendra Modi? I said, bhai, this is my political right. Why you are telling me like this? They are threatening us also sometimes. This is the situation.
Yeah.
You tell me why, where we'll go? Where we'll go? If the democracy is being finished, if the democracy is under scanner, if the democracy is under Aadhaar, and democracy in the name of Aadhaar, everything is lost.
Ma'am,
What is don't tell that India, we are having democracy now.
so you don't believe in this cooperative federalism because you're here, you say the media is facing threat, but you're live on a show on India Today. I mean, you're being allowed to say what you want. Are you saying that
That
there
they do not know what I will say, that's why. This is spontaneous. Even you were not aware also what I want to say. That's why you allowed me to speak. Otherwise, that should not be allowed also. Every day, your subject also they decide. That also we know.
I'm trying to understand because on issues like demonetization, GST, you're almost the outlier. I know on demonetization, you were the first politician to raise the issue. Now, even on GST, you've taken a very tough stand. It's almost as if you are positioning yourself as the principal opposition to Narendra Modi. Is that how I should see you today, not just as Bengal's chief minister, but as someone who today, as the leader of the third largest party in parliament, believes that you have become the principal opposition? Nitish Kumar has joined hands with Narendra Modi. Jayalalitha is no longer there. Rahul Gandhi is only now becoming the Congress president. Are you do you see yourself in that role? Principal opposition to Narendra Modi today, whether it is demonetization, GST, or any issue today, Mamta will stand up to take on Modi.
No, that is not the fact. I didn't have any personal agenda or personal political vendetta against of any individual persons or the Prime Minister or the Narendra Modi. Whenever the public is facing some problems, or there are some problems, genuine problems related to people, then it is our duty to raise the voice of the people. Somebody is to bail the cat. If I am not, the B will raise it, or C will raise it, or D will raise it, and I believe the collective leadership. So in India, I am telling you, at this present situation, we are working together, and I think that is the best policy. Let us work together for the interest of the country.
Can I just get a clarification? When you say collective leadership, who is your principal adversary today in politics? When the elections took place last year in Bengal, the Congress, which you were once a part of, actually tied up with the left. Now Rahul Gandhi is set to take over the Congress party. Do you see yourself now aligning with the Congress once again in some kind of broad collective leadership building up to 2019? Who is your principal adversary? Is it the BJP, left, or Congress? Would you like to align with the Rahul Gandhi as part of this collective national leadership to take on Mr. Modi? Your colleague, your junior Derek O'Brien has written in a book that in 2019
I have not seen his book, so I cannot say anything about the book. I have not seen, even I do not know. I have seen in the press.
But the only way he says the only way to defeat Mr. Modi.
I don't know. That may be his personal opinion.
What's your opinion?
Party never discussed all this into in details. That I must be very frank in this regard. It is his personal authority to write a book. It is his freedom. He has written a book that is not connected to party. So party.
What is your view?
My view is very, what I want to say that in Bengal, Congress left, they are working even with BJP in state level together. And every day they are working with BJP, Congress, CPM. But at the national level, for greater interest, we feel that we must work together in our parliament or anywhere. But if you ask me the leadership question about the Congress party, I cannot say this is their internal matter. I have not that audacity to comment anything about a particular party or particular leader. That I cannot.
But do you see a grand coalition before 2019? Is that what you would like to see?
Yes, it depends on, because now already we are working together in the parliament business, for parliament business. Even for other political work, I went to Lalu Prasad Yadavji's invitation in Patna. I have a good relation with Akhilesh ji or Mayawati ji, or we maintain the good relation with Stalin DMK, or Naveen Patnaik ji. Or there are so many, like even that that day Udhav also came to Maharashtra to meet me.
That's right, you went.
So I maintain the best of relation. Even I have the best of relation with so many other people also.
No, you went and met even Uddhav Thackeray in Mumbai.
Even within the BJP also, I maintained some good relation with some of the people, not all the people.
No, I'm trying to understand. You went all the way to Mumbai and you met Uddhav Thackeray of the Shiv Sena. You are seen to be this secular champion in Bengal, but you went to Mumbai and met Uddhav Thackeray. Am I to understand, enemy is my friend? Shiv Sena BJP relations are strained, so Mamta Banerjee has decided to get...
First, I don't want to take any secularism certificate from anyone, because it is my life. I maintain that. Number two, I am grateful to them, because when this demonetization first came, when we went to meet our Honorable President, that time Shiv Sena accompanied with us. That time they were agreed, though they were in India, they are in the India, but they opposed this demonetization. I cannot forget that. And that's why we maintain our working relation with them. If there is a common issue, of course we will work together.
You seem to be giving me an indication that you're ready to work on common issues with all opposition leaders. But one name you didn't mention was Rahul Gandhi, because I remember in 2016 when you won the election, I asked you about Rahul Gandhi and you were very dismissive of him. Have you changed your opinion today? Are you more willing to work under a leadership of Rahul Gandhi as part of a broad national coalition or as one of the leaders of this national
I told you regarding collective leadership. Now, I have a great respect for Rajiv Ji, Sonia Ji. Rahul started, let him work. Allow him to work first. So you don't impose me or bulldoze me what will be my opinion. It depends on the situation, it depends on future, the collective coalition and all this.
So you
We
use
will work together. The other political parties, I think there are so many, 17, 18 political parties we are working together.
So you've used the word collective
Yes.
4 times now. I now get a sense that you are preparing for some kind of a collective coalition. That is your dream. Because you also mentioned that before the 2014 elections, if I remember. At that stage also you were trying to work for this collective leadership. Is that your now next step? Or do you see your role principally confined to Bengal? Do you believe that Mamata Banerjee would prefer to build brand Bengal? Or are you now in the next year planning to expand beyond Bengal as part of this collective leadership that you want to create against Mr. Modi and Mr. Shah and the BJP?
Trinamool Congress, All India Trinamool Congress is a national registered political party, national recognized political party. We have the units in Punjab, we have the units in Tripura, we have the units in UP, we have the units in Odisha, and there are Jharkhand and other places also. So our people are working there. But Bengal, of course, we cannot forget our, the motherland, especially the soil. India is my motherland. India is a unique country, and we all love India as a country. We all love. But please don't forget that where I born and where I am working, I should have forget that state. I cannot forget that. Bengal I cannot forget because that is my beginning and that will be my end also. But we can work for the country also. There is no obstruction or bar that you are doing Bengal, that's why you cannot work for the national level also. I already worked at the national level 23 years as a member of parliament. I worked there as a railway minister twice. I worked there coal mines minister, women and child minister, youth and sports minister. So I have got that opportunity to work for the national level also. And that experience is already we are having all whoever is doing the national politics. So national politics, if the regional politics is strong, then the national politics is strong. Without regional politics, you cannot strengthen the national politics. And we will always watch. If the leaders, they know the national politics and regional politics, they can do it better. But if some leaders, they have only done the regional politics, not national politics, they do not know the country. That is why that is a problem here also.
That's interesting because the BJP is planning to come into Bengal. That their national leaders are coming here virtually every fortnight and they believe that Bengal is the last frontier which they intend to conquer. And they believe that this is where they are going to take you on. They have become the principal challenger, not the left. Do you agree that BJP is now your principal challenger in Bengal, ma'am?
Not at all. Let them first control their internal party matter. What they will do for Bengal? What they will do for Bengal? Where they are? We are 99, they are 1, 2. So there they are shouting. This shouting brigade and propaganda machinery, it is sponsored, propaganda machinery, sponsored social network, you know all this. And media-oriented political party, and Danga-oriented political party, so-called Danga, and division, divide and rule politics. Do you think that Bengal will accept it? No. Bengal is a land of Swami Vivekananda. They will never accept this divide and rule policy. Bengal is a land of Rabindranath Tagore. They will never accept this. Even Bengal loves Gandhiji like anything. Gandhiji, Netaji and all leaders we respect. We don't believe divide and rule policy, and let BJP shout along with their bike bahini. Means they give free bikes, free money, free funding, that they can shout, but they cannot do anything in Bengal.
Interesting, you mentioned Vivekanand, you mentioned Tagore, and you mentioned that no one can practice divide and rule politics in Bengal. They, on the other hand, will turn around and say Mamata Banerjee practices what they call minority appeasement. You saw what happened during Muharram and Durga Puja.
Okay, there should be if you have the cards. How many people are present here? How many people are present here? Just take a vote from them. That I only take care for minorities and I don't take care for majorities. Ask them. They are the impartial people. First, they will say.
Does the audience want to do a poll? Does Mamata Banerjee care for all of Bengal or not? Yes, okay, there are strong views there. I've got strong views saying yes, you do. But the national media seems to look at it otherwise.
That national media is totally purchased by CPM, is BJP. What to do? I told you earlier also. National media, their rules, their policies, their decision, their debate, who will come, who will attend, who will say, whatever they will say. It is totally BJP. They are behaving just like BJP. His master voice.
So when riots...
Mouthpiece.
When
You
riots...
don't show the reality.
When riots take place in Baripada, or when this Muharram Durga Puja contentious decision was taken by you, or when you give emoluments to
You tell
muezzins
me, can you
and
show me
Maulanas?
in your state, Maharashtra, can you do the immersion, Ganapati Puja and Muharram together? You cannot do, but we can do it. It is our credit. Bengal always used to do it. 4 days are being fixed up for the Durga Puja and 1 day is been fixed up for their immersion. What is wrong? They are also 30% population, highest in India. They are staying in Bengal. Don't you think that I will take care for a brother and I will not take care for my sister? Do you think that it is proper? I will take care for each and everybody. I have to take care for Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai and all, Punjab, Sikh, Gujarati, Marathi. All I have to take care because when I am in the chair, I am for all. I am not for any individual person.
Very strong words there, Mamata Banerjee. The other principal criticism, and then we'll move on to other issues. You said at the start today, there is a super emergency in the country. The BJP and the left says there is an emergency in Bengal. You can't say a word against Mamata Banerjee. Some doctor put up a Facebook post speaking about dengue. He was suspended by your government. How do you respond to this image
This is
that
very
they are...
unfortunate. This is very unfortunate. One can give some comments. That was not the... There is a discipline for the government organization. This is not the case. This is a wrong case. Sometimes don't plead for an individual case. I have lacked thousands of doctors. They are very good. They are working. For a particular person, political person, you cannot blame all the doctors. I think these issues are not important for this type of debate.
Okay, but
this is very simple and petty question.
So you believe that if they turn around and say emergency in Bengal, what would you like to tell them?
You show me where. You show me where. You see that they are getting all the advantage. Getting free accommodation for the public political meeting also. Where you will get that? Everything. That is political, they have to say because they have lost their credibility, credentials. They have to oppose, they have to say something. You cannot stop the voice of the opposition. If they say that, yes, I am not getting, they will say because this is their habit.
GST. You, Amit Mitra, your finance minister, was heading the council for a while.
It was council, but his voice was lonely because it is not, there was no power with them. Even he said, he expressed his concern every matter, but this government, they didn't listen. They don't care.
Ma'am, at the end of the day, GST was passed in parliament. At the end of the day...
That's why it was not with the hands of Amit Mitra. Parliament voice vote.
No, 1 minute. Are you saying therefore that...
So you have the majority, that's why you can do whatever you can do. Are you behaving like Mohammed bin Tughlaq?
No, not
just
me.
Like medieval period, Mohammed bin Tughlaq just shifted his capital from Delhi to Kolkata. Sometimes
is GST good for
India? Also change.
No, ma'am. Is GST as a single tax good for India or not?
It is good for. It is not single tax now.
No.
So many taxes. The GST is good for industry, but earlier what was the decision and what they deviated? There is a basic differences. We said don't do it hurriedly. You take some care for the poor people, the unorganized sector, the small scale sector, for the common people. These two disasters, first demonetization, then GST. Both are the disaster of this country. Now you know, recession started. You know how the financial situation declined. What is the situation of this country? More than 3 lakh crores. We have already lost the GDP. It will never come. Which money came from the foreign, the black money? They said black money will be bringing. Where is the black money?
You don't think demonetization targeted black money?
They said 3. They said we have to combat the terrorists. We will bring the black money back. And number 3, that transparency and all this. Where is the transparency? Where is the accountability? Nobody knows. Even Reserve Bank was not aware. Even the finance minister was not aware when demonetization decision was taken. And this decision, I do not know all the money they have got returned. So what was the need for this demonetization? I don't feel. I don't think that is, even terrorist, Kashmir, you see that terrorism has been increased about 12%.
You know what?
Everywhere it has been increased.
You know what the government said is that when we brought in demonetization, all the opposition leaders were angry because we had bankrupted them of their cash. They were the cash, they had cash with them, that's why they are angry against us.
Oh, and they have only ass. All the political parties, they have the cash and they have only ass. Do you think so? चालाकी में सब कुछ नहीं होता है. This is a goody language.
So you don't agree that they, in a sense, before the UP elections, wanted to bankrupt the
They
opposition?
wanted to win over the UP election. सबको बोका बना के यूपी दखल कर लिया. बस यही तो है. Politically, the UP का political leader लोग समझा नहीं समझा. यही तो हुआ. जैसे गुजरात में भी मेरे तो पता नहीं है. बोलता ईवीएम मशीन में जिसमें भी वोट देता है बस बीजेपी का पास चला जाता है. What is this? इसमें इन्वेस्टिगेशन होना चाहिए. डिमोनेटाइजेशन अगर हमारा बात विश्वास मत करो, करने का कोई जरूरत नहीं है. बट इफ आई आस्क यू, मनमोहन सिंह इज इकोनॉमिस्ट, फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर, चिदम्बरम फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर, जसवंत सिन्हा इज नॉट आवर मैन, ही वाज अ फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर, अरुण शौरी इज नॉट आवर मैन. So even Raghuram Rajan, everybody is saying this is wrong, this is wrong, this is wrong. Then they are saying this is right, this is right, this is right. I don't know. It may be politically correct for them, but it is a politically bad message for the country. I cannot destroy my country for a political reason that they have done. It is their biggest blunder. And if they lost the election, they will never come back.
1 minute. They actually won the election after demonetization in Uttar Pradesh and won it by a big majority. So they believe that the people of the country are with them. When you win an election, the people are with them.
यूपी में कुछ गड़बड़ है, मेरे को पता नहीं है क्या हुआ है नहीं हुआ है. कि देखिए हम तो देखा नहीं है, हम तो यूपी में कंटेस्ट नहीं किया है, लेकिन हमारा इधर में कर्फ्यू करके इलेक्शन किया था, 144 करके इलेक्शन कमीशन को देके किया था. लेकिन आज तो गुजरात में पूरा सेंट्रल फोर्स, स्टेट फोर्स सब लेके कर रहा है. क्या कर रहा है देखना चाहिए. हमारा इधर में 144 करके इलेक्शन किया था.
Well, now you're accusing the center of rigging elections also.
I am telling you that what is fact. Central forces, state forces and other forces, all the agencies working together. क्या होता है तो आप लोगों को खबर रखना चाहिए, लेकिन आप लोग तो डरते हैं, कैसे खबर रखेंगे.
Somebody tells me the media is running scared in Bengal of you also. They are all very scared of you.
You ask any media, they are writing every day against of me. I like it.
Didi, come on. You are okay if the media criticizes you, if there is
Let them every day they are doing. So what? It is there. They have to. देखो मीडिया क्या है, खबर का दुकान होता है ना, खबर का भी दुकान होता है. खबर में भी बेचना है ना, खबर बेचने के लिए लिखना पड़ता है.
अच्छा, Didi, you're putting me in a difficult position because you know somebody told me when a clone of Didi in Bengal, the cartoonist gets arrested.
That is not fact. That is their complaint is different. Residential quarters, the people complain because he captured somebody's, he hacked somebody's computer. The case is different.
You brought the International Film Festival, the World Cup under 17 has come to Bengal. You are really trying in a way to ensure that Kolkata becomes a cultural hub. Is that how you see in a way making Bengal and Kolkata a hub in a sense, as a cultural tourist center, bringing back that, you know, Gopal Krishna Gokhale once famously said 100 years ago, what Bengal thinks today, India thinks tomorrow. Are you the kind of person, for example, if the Padmavati film crew, which has been targeted by other chief ministers, they are banning the film, would you welcome the film?
I think if they cannot do it any other state, they are welcome to Kolkata.
So you are telling Sanjay Leela Bhansali that if he wants to
Let them come, yes, we will arrange. We will give special arrangement for them.
You will make special arrangement for Sanjay Leela
One day,
Bhansali.
3-4 BJP boys, they went for creating some problems, but we have taken action. 1 minute में.
So you're saying they can come here and do the premiere?
Yes, always.
You know,
Bengal will welcome. Bengal will be very happy, and Bengal is proud to see that.
You also brought Pakistani artists here.
Why not? Pakistan is also a country. Bangladesh is also a country. Myanmar is also a country. I have some political differences maybe, some ideological differences maybe, but I cannot treat the people that is Pakistani, so I will not talk to them. Sare jahan se acha, can you forget? Iqbal the song, Sare jahan se acha Hindustan hamara. It is my Azadi ka song hai. I have to remember that.
So you would be delighted in a sense even tomorrow to host Pakistani cricketers, Pakistani
हाँ
artists.
क्यों नहीं, आर्टिस्ट क्रिकेटर को क्यों नहीं लेंगे? संगीत का कोई कोई बाउंड्री होता है न, खेल का कोई बाउंड्री होता है, ये तो पूरा विश्व भर में होता है।
I also find you have no boundary, interestingly, when it comes to food. You know, you have come out against this kind of beef politics which is being practiced. You have made it very clear. I must confess, yesterday I had beef steak in Kolkata, and of a kind that you may not get in my home state, Maharashtra. Since you keep telling me about Maharashtra, I might struggle in Maharashtra to get a beef steak, but I get it in Kolkata.
In my
Is
state,
that-
everything is available. Potato available, potato chips available, brinjals is available, goat is available, beef is available, chicken is available, eggs are available, everything is available. Politics is available, but pollution is not available.
There are two ideas of India here. Forget this super emergency and all these words. Those are nice words for politicians. But there are two ideas, which is your idea of India, which you believe is truly multicultural, multi-religious. So when the BJP says Mamta only reaches out to Muslims, you today told me about how Durga and Muharram can be celebrated, can be practiced here on the same day. Versus another idea of India, which believes in a way that we are essentially a Hindu society.
First, let me clarify one thing.
Yes.
We don't do the calendar. It is because of our Chandra, Surya, Graho, Tara, the Panjika जो बनाते हैं ना, हम नहीं बनाते हैं. After 25 years, this year Muharram and Durga Puja was together. It is after 25 years. अगर वो हो जाता है कैलेंडर का मुताबिक तो हम क्या करें? ये तो हमारा हाथ में नहीं है. दोनों धर्मों को हमको संभालना है, तो हमको tactfully संभालना है. And you will be glad to know that no incident happens. Everybody maintained this together. I am so proud of my Bengal for that. Culturally, they are very rich. No incident took place. पूजा में भी हम कार्निवल किया है वही टाइम में.
So when
कोई
these,
कुछ नहीं
so
किया.
when these riots take place and
राइट्स
then,
बंगाल में बहुत कम, वो बीजेपी लगाता है, लेकिन हम लोग उसको कंट्रोल करते हैं. This is very bad practice of them. They cannot do it politically. They cannot combat me politically. So they खाली हिंदू मुस्लिम करते हैं.
so you're saying Malda,
उसको डांस,
Baripada,
वो खाली डांस करता है. हिंदू का डांस, मुस्लिम का डांस, कभी हिंदू कभी मुस्लिम, कभी हिंदू से हिंदू को लगा देता है.
one divide in Bengal, though in recent months we've seen, is in the hills of Bengal. They've been turbulent, you've gone there, but the fact is the people of Darjeeling in a sense are feeling restive once again. Does that worry you? Because you were able to bring the Maoist problem under control when you came to
Darjeeling
power.
was also totally controlled. It is the central government play the dirty things. It was their political game because they belongs one political MP from that place. So it is their creation. Now also Darjeeling is very smooth and they are very
The
satisfied. They are
imposition
working.
the imposition of Bengali, they felt.
That is not correct. That was a wrong impression. And that was a wrong, it was a conspiracy to create some rumor. That was a rumor. Not at all, it was a reality.
I've also heard that your party in parliament intends to raise another issue. There has been this mysterious death of Judge Loya, who handled the Sorabuddin encounter case. Derek O'Brien, your leader in the Rajya Sabha, has tweeted about it. The left is taking it up. Do you believe this case should be investigated? Because, okay,
No, it's okay. No. They raised it, I think. You people have raised it in the year 1914.
to 2014.
2014. So I think Dinesh Da also were present here. Dinesh Da also told me there must be some investigation. This is our MP's demand. I think there must be an investigation. When the blame came, I think government must investigate the matter. Actually, what is the truth? People have every right to know.
A lot of your own party men have found themselves under the gaze of ED, CBI. Some of
तो
them have gone.
पॉलिटिकली करते हैं, करने दो. पॉलिटिकली करते हैं कि हम लोग उसका सपोर्ट, हम अगर काल एनडीए में चला जाएगा ना, कुछ नहीं होगा, विथड्रॉ हो जाएगा एक दिन में. हम एनडीए में नहीं जाएगा, हमको जेल में भरने दो. हम तो जेल में भर्ती होने के लिए खुश है, लेकिन हम उसका साथ अंडरस्टैंडिंग नहीं करेंगे, बस हो गया.
Did they ever offer you that you join did the government offer you join the NDA? We will withdraw all the cases against Trinamool Congress MPs. No one will go to jail. No Sudeep Bandyopadhyay. No one will go to
भाई
jail.
ये जानबूझ के कर रहा है. अगर वो हमारा साथ कभी बात भी हुआ है, ये हम पब्लिक फोरम में नहीं बोलेंगे. पॉलिटिक्स में कभी कभी ऐसा बात होता है जो बाहर में बोलना नहीं चाहिए.
The reason I'm asking you, Nitish Kumar has embraced the BJP. He's part now virtually of the NDA. The Tamil Nadu parties, we don't know, AIDMK may also reach out to the NDA. do you
क्या
believe?
करेगा? कोई कोई डाइजेस्ट कर सकता है, कोई कोई डाइजेस्ट नहीं कर सकता है. One food may be digestible to one, but it is indigestible to another. It is indigestible to me. It is digestible to them. They have joined with them. That is a political problem.
So is your philosophy ekla chalo re, if it comes to that?
हम हमारा माफी
Is there
चलेगा.
ever a possibility of you joining the BJP?
Our ideology is poor people. We have to take poor people stand whatever it comes. Whatever it may comes, I don't care for that. We don't dare that also. Only our policy is poor people policy. We have to support the people cause and people's policy. For that, somebody may annoyed, somebody may not annoyed. We don't care for that.
Today when, let me say, when dengue happens in Kolkata, when there is any
Oh,
instance-
please.
When-
You are all asking this type of question.
No,
I am
no.
telling. No, please let
Does
me
it
reply.
affect-
No,
does it
no,
affect
no,
that
no,
image?
please let me tell you.
Yeah.
Maharashtra, how many people have died for swine flu and all? 700. Gujarat, how many? 500. Bengal, 30-40 people died, and you are creating confusion among the people that dengue. Do you think that dengue also government supply?
So you think Bengal has been a victim of an image trap?
Bengal restrict, you see, Bengal restrain. Otherwise, sometimes now it is a world, free world. So many people are coming from everywhere. Earlier हमने देखा कि अगर किसी को बुखार होते थे तो फॉरेन का कोई फ्लाइट में चढ़ने नहीं देते थे. अभी तो now everybody can come. Even everybody when they come from one part to another part, some disease also may come with them. But I cannot say that you just go out from here. So many Rohingya, so many refugees came to Bangladesh, and it is my border. Please
So
see
you are
all
very
this
clear.
from your different
Let me
angle.
ask you this, very clear on Rohingya issue, for example, as you've been on other issues.
The
You,
forgotten Rohingya issue.
no, you believe they should be embraced.
Who will be embraced?
The Rohingya refugees who come cannot be treated as some kind of outsiders, as the center is seeming to
Therefore, this
suggest.
is a very controversial matter. I respect the UN policy in that matter, refugee. Whatever UN the policy, I respect that. And we have some people also here, the child, especially children and the mother, we are giving them whatever we can extend our help, we are trying.
Okay,
to
forget
get
the
that.
controversial political questions. I want to ask you a personal level. You said you haven't changed, but I've seen you have become thinner. What have you been doing? Are you on a
That
diet?
is also my blame.
No, but what is the secret of you staying so fit? How do you stay so fit?
देखो, इसमें भी jealous है.
No, I want to
You
know.
walk more and more. You walk 20 kilometers every day. Who told you not to do?
You walk 20 kilometers every day?
Yes, I love to do it.
What about food? What are your food habits?
Food, I will not tell you. Then you will go for that.
How do you keep when you're not working and you say you're a 24/7 politician, and that's true. I've had Mamta Banerjee at 3 in the morning send me an SMS about a television ticker. Very few politicians would do that. Quite remarkable in that sense. I want to understand, when you're not doing politics, how do you keep yourself entertained?
Politics I don't do because my party is very good. They never disturb me. I only used to do the public job. Nowadays, even public job is important to me. There I have to work 24 hours. Not 24 hours, but what to say, at least 18
No,
hours.
your private life, personal life, something.
पर्सनल लाइफ क्या है? पर्सनल लाइफ तो जिंदगी से चला गया बहुत दिन पहले. अभी तो पब्लिक लाइफ इज माय पर्सनल लाइफ.
Bengalis love their history. Can I ask you, who's your favorite Bengali character? Over all these years, someone who inspires you. Is there an inspirational person who you say, he or she is my role model? That's the person I want to be. Is there someone who inspires you every morning?
No, I love these two books, especially Call to the Nation of Swami Vivekananda and Netaji Subhash Chandra. There is a book, Tarunesh Shapno. That these two books are very favorite to me. From my childhood, I have gone through these books, and Rabindranath Tagore, of course, there are so many poems, so many poetry and all. So that is, you can call that, that is the inspiration. And our people is our inspiration. When I see they are laughing, that is my satisfaction.
That's very nicely put, because the two characters you mentioned, Vivekananda and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, the BJP is trying to appropriate both. Today you have made it very clear that
But their house, the Vivekananda's house, it is not that BJP give them proper recognition and all this. It is our government. You should remember, Vivekananda's house was captured by some people. So our government acquisition all these. We have gone for acquisition and we have handed over to Vivekananda. Sister Nivedita's house also we have gone for acquisition and we have given it to Nivedita, this Belur Mott. It is not Vivekananda that BJP has done anything. They have not done anything for Vivekananda or Ramakrishna or Sharada Devi or Nivedita or
Or
nobody.
Netaji?
No, nothing. Only they have disclosed some files, nothing is there.
Okay, so at the end of the day, you believe that you are in a sense the true inheritor of that legacy that stretches back 125 years ago. Mamata
Not
Banerjee,
only me, it is everybody. Every people of this country they love and it is their choice. They have a great respect for this, all the people. So it is their doing. I'm just carrying some.
okay,
quizzes.
my final question. Do you ever have an ambition to be the next Prime Minister of India? Do you see one day?
Let me continue as a commoner. I like to do it. I don't want to be VIP. I want to be LIP.
What is LIP?
Less important person.
Because for years, Bengal has always looked. You see, Saurav Ganguly became the captain of the Indian team.
Very good. My congratulations always for him. He is doing very good work.
You want him to join politics?
If he is not in politics, then also he is my brother.
No, but I want to understand. For years, Bengal was looking for a prime minister, right? From the time of Netaji, he lost out. This is, of course, before independence. But you've had Jyoti Basu had a chance. Many believe historical blunder. He didn't take it up. And Bengal has always felt, when will that day come when a Bengali will become the prime minister of the country? Much like we feel in Maharashtra. You see, now Gujarat also has had its moment. Do you see one day Bengal also having not just a prime minister but a female prime minister?
Bengal have already got the president. Pranab Mukherjee was our honorable president. I believe that Bengal will lead the country.
Will?
Lead the country. Lead.
Bengal
will lead the country.
Bengal or a Bengali?
I said Bengal will lead the country.
With a Bengali as prime minister?
देखो ये जो इधर में जो कॉन्क्लेव में आपने इनवाइट किया है ना, पंजाबी, सिंधु, गुजराती, मराठा, द्राविड़, उत्कल, bongo, everybody is present here. So Bengal includes all.
On that happy note, where you've spoken about the inclusive spirit of this wonderful state of Bengal, and as a Jamai Babu of this state, I cannot but say nice things about your state. So I'm giving you an option today. Either you can sing a song for us,
Derek will. Derek can song.
You want him to sing?
Let him sing.
Right. Or you can draw for us. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't know how many chief ministers would have spent 5 or 7 or 10 minutes going. She has a problem with the quality of the brush.
ব্রাশটা আসলে আমি করতে পারছি না, ব্রাশটা ঠিক নয়,
So
ব্রাশটা ঠিক নেই, আসলে ওরা আনতে পারেনি।
but the fact, ma'am, you have to sign, give me your signature. Okay, she's going to send us a special one by tomorrow. We'll have a special one put there. But as I said, there aren't too many chief ministers who would do what she's just done on stage, which is why she's unique, sui generis. Ladies and gentlemen, the Chief Minister of Bengal, Mamata Banerjee.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.